Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Karla, and welcome to Karla's Beautiful Things. I'm so happy that you're here with me today. I am bringing to you today a jewelry box that I will be unboxing. So I have plenty of jewelry now because in the past year that I have been on my YouTube channel growing, and also before that slowly building my collection, I have now ran out of space. So I bought a new jewelry box. I bought a jewelry box from Wolf and they were having a wonderful sale, so I was able to snag a beautiful jewelry box, and I thought that it would be fun to share that unboxing here with you today. Before we get into that, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notifications so that you don't miss out when I post a video, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you like the jewelry box, what you would put in it, or your current organization method to help give me some ideas as to what I can do to do better. By the way, do you like the jewelry that I'm wearing today? I have on a couple of amber pieces, and these are the rings that I chose. I'm just feeling very much in a fall mood. And here, if you watched my main video, you would have saw that I bought this dress at a consignment shop, and it is a vintage J. Crew, and I'm loving it, and it looks perfect with the amber. I had actually previously offered this bracelet and this necklace for sale, but now that I found a whole ensemble, they are now currently in my collection until I have some other things, and then I could let go of these. But these are the only amber pieces I have. I sold all my other amber, and prior to this outfit, I didn't really ever think about amber, and now I'm obsessed. I think it's so beautiful. I love the warm tone colors. I'm not so much into the butterscotch. I love this amber, the actual amber glow. Okay, so let's get into the box. Oh, here is the massive box, and this is the size that we went for. This is the extra large. Let me show you my current box. This is my current jewelry box. This is a large, okay? What I love about this one is that it has multiple compartments, but my favorite feature, oh look, there you are. If you open, I have places to put my necklaces. And I have a lot of necklaces. I love necklaces, so I need more space for them. The question really now is, where do I put my new box? So my current jewelry box looks really good on the dresser. It's a great size. And this jewelry box is red. It's red in color. It was on sale. If I would have had a choice, I probably would have gone with the black, but I'll take a red, you know? So, shall we get into it? Here is the beautiful box, and there is no elegant way to do this because it is such a heavy box. So it won't be the most graceful unboxing, but it'll definitely be safe being unboxed on my bed. Okay, so this is definitely a big one. That's the first look. Okay. Wow. Can you see me in it? Maybe. Maybe a little. Okay. Oh, look at these trays. Wow. It's so much bigger than my current box. This is beautiful. Oh yes, see? I think laying down the necklaces. Now here's the thing about looking at these boxes online. Wolf does not show you every single tray and what it looks like. I am loving these travel cases. These are beautiful. I have plenty now. I like this little private little drawer here. This is massive, okay? Let me bring my other box for comparison. Here is the large box. This is the extra large box. This is significantly larger. Now here, if I pull out a tray, as you saw, this tray is, I mean, as big as from my fingertip to my arm, okay? That's one tray. Here is not as large. Now, I absolutely love all the compartments. I have good compartments in this one, but now that I have an extra large box, I didn't realize how much I was really missing out on. Now that I have both boxes side by side, this is the large box, this is the extra large box. Obviously, the extra large box is significantly bigger, and I love that. I love that they both have the top handle in order for you to be able to easily move your box wherever you need it to go. They are heavy, they are very well made, they are beautiful boxes. My one thing about Wolf when you're shopping online for these boxes, the photos do not tell you every single compartment that they have. So I am going to share all the details so you can get a really good view of what you're getting if my video inspires you to buy these boxes. Okay, this is a beautiful travel case. I have a few travel cases now, but this is absolutely beautiful. I have a feeling Scott's gonna want this. He can have it. Now, the sale that I got on this was absolutely amazing. I mean, I got it this box retails for $1,300. I think our savings was about $1,000 on this. Here is the other little travel case. This would be handy for me for like pearl earrings, the rings. I like to put my pearls in something like this, especially if I'm bringing rings and necklaces, because they are so delicate that you don't want them to ever have any oopsies on the way to your destinations. Finally, here is the top compartment. I love how, I'm trying to hold this together for you. I love all the rows and rows that I have available for rings. This is a little secret compartment to put any jewelry in here that you want to kind of have easily accessible, but kind of hidden away if anyone was just to like open your box. And yeah, I love the box. I thought that it would be kind of fun if we took some of the stuff that I have in these jewelry trays, which was a temporary solution to my overflow, and put it in the box together. I like this compartment for this very special piece. This is really special to me. I thrifted this. It's carved tiger's eye. It was in my best finds of 2024 video. So if you want to know more about that, go check that video out. Probably in here could be the collars. Okay, I love collars. This will be the pearl tray. Ooh, yes, this is a beautiful necklace. This is one of my greatest finds ever. Oh Lord, okay, maybe this one won't fit in here. Let's keep seeing what else can fit. This was a gift from my beautiful friend, Vanessa, and I love this very much, thank you. I have these like peachy colored pearls here. This is a beautiful graduated angel skin coral necklace that I found, and I think I'm going to roll it up. No, I'm not, just kidding. Coral doesn't want to be rolled up, so she's gonna lay there. This one I found at an antique mall in Maine, and I love it. It's aquamarine and pearl with probably 10 karat white gold. It would be nice to have this beautiful strand of pearls probably live up here with the rice pearls. And I'm gonna keep this folio safe because this was its original packaging and that's how it was living in my box. Wow, who, like, look at, that's, I love this, but I still don't have a place for that other pearl necklace. Maybe that needs to go in here. So let's put this one here. Do you guys think I have too many pearls? Oh, it's not gonna fit. Uh-oh. This is just so long, it's not gonna fit in here. It's overboard. It needs a deeper tray. All right, we'll figure this out in a moment. Love that for the pearls. Okay, oh, maybe, you know what? I'll put those pearls in here. Yes, let's do that. Ha, ta-da! I bought this from Ladies Who Loop here on YouTube, and it's just this beautiful autumnal tone agate beaded necklace. And I also bought these to go with it. The color's a little off, but it still has that tan color in there that I'm loving. So I think I'm gonna leave these up here. And that is the Caroline Extra Large Wolf Jewelry Box. I give this a 10 out of 10, and I actually love the red leather that it's in. I think it's beautiful. All right, so that was it for today's videos. I hope that you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and let me know, would you have purchased this box if you would have found it on sale for $1,000 off? Is it worth the $1,300 that it retails for? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next one.